Let's find your next best time. I'm your host, Melissa Wells, with the Daily Interlake's Local Events Podcast. Stay in the know with the best things to do in Northwest Montana. Find all these events and more at dailyinterlake.com/events. You can even add your event for free. The Kalispell HEART Locker hosts their annual summer block party on Wednesday, May 29th from 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. The HEART program partners with Kalispell and Evergreen school districts to support youth and their families who are facing adversity by connecting them to resources to meet their basic needs. This free family event is held in the HEART Locker's parking lot at 514 East Washington Street in Kalispell. Jump in to a bounce house, dunk tank, face painting, music, and food. Join the fun and support this great community organization. The Whitefish Theatre Company presents Death by Design at the O'Shaughnessy Cultural Arts Center in Whitefish for multiple dates and times, May 30th through June 8th. The Whitefish Theatre Company never disappoints. Join them for comedy that kills with this hilarious and mysterious whodunit set in 1930s London. See available times at whitefishtheatreco.org. The Great Northern Bar and Grill in Whitefish hosts the legendary Jerry Joseph for 2 nights, Monday, June 3rd and Wednesday, June 4th. Jerry Joseph and the Jackmormons are a local favorite, and these 2 nights are sure to be a blast. I have a few friends that have followed him to the desert and across the world. Kudos to the Northern for securing dates of this well-traveled musician. The Daily Interlake hosts Barrel Stove Combo for the final concert of our first season of our Press Play Lunch Concert Series on Friday, June 7th at noon. If you haven't joined us for our Tiny Desk-esque concerts in our press room, this is your chance to witness live original jazz with several members of the beloved 20 Grand Band. Eric Gates, Rebecca Nelson, and Vincent Ranazzisi are sure to leave an impression during this unique concert. The show will be live streamed on the Daily Interlake's Facebook and Instagram pages for your viewing pleasure wherever you may be on a Friday afternoon. Although I strongly encourage you to be one of the lucky few to watch in person. Visit flatheadtickets.com to reserve your seat and check out Thursday's Daily Interlake for an interview with the band. We have had a blast with our Press Play concerts. Season 2 kicks off in August with the Brent Jameson Duo. Check out the Daily Interlake's YouTube channel to experience all of our concerts and musician interviews with performers Billy Billy, John Floridis, Tin Finley, and more. Subscribe to our YouTube channel while you're there. Thanks for tuning in to our Local Events Podcast. Check out the description for links to all mentioned events, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I'm your host, Melissa Wells, and I'll be back next week with more events to get you out and about. If you, your business, or organization have an upcoming event that you'd like featured on our online local events pages or in this podcast, simply visit dailyinterlake.com/events and add your event for free. Events from our online local events calendar are also printed weekly in the Daily Interlake on Thursdays and also in the Whitefish Pilot, Hungry Horse News, and Big Fork Eagle. If it's happening in Northwest Montana, you'll find it on dailyinterlake.com/events. See you out there.